At 4 with Graciela Moreno, Dale Durong, and Chief Meteorologist Kevin Musso taking action together. This is ABC 30 Action News.
Now to the gripping trial of the president's son, Hunter Biden. His former romantic partner took the stand, detailing how she says she found a gun in the younger Biden's truck and frantically threw it away at a nearby grocery store in October of 2018.
ABC's M. Nguyen shows the cross-examination regarding Hunter's drug use around the time he's accused of obtaining a gun illegally.
Graciela, Dale, this marks the first time a child of a sitting president has ever faced a criminal trial. Hunter Biden pleaded not guilty last October.
New testimony in Hunter Biden's trial out of Delaware. A key witness, Beau Biden's widow and Hunter Biden's former romantic partner, Hallie Biden, saying how she, quote, went to clean out his car on October 23, 2018 and found a gun. She said she panicked and used a pouch in his truck, which the prosecution says later tested positive to having cocaine in it, to conceal the gun before frantically throwing it out in a trash at a nearby grocery store. Jurors in court were shown surveillance video from that market dated 11 days after Hunter Biden allegedly obtained the firearm illegally. At the heart of the case, whether the president's son was using drugs at the time of the gun purchase. He's charged with 2 counts of lying on a federal form and 1 count of unlawfully obtaining a firearm while using drugs. Prosecutors zeroing in on how Hallie Biden described Hunter Biden as tired and exhausted, and that he, quote, could have been on drugs. That's why she said she tried to clean out his car so they could start anew. But the defense trying to poke holes in the case, saying no witness has confirmed Hunter Biden was using during that month. Today, the gun store clerk who sold Hunter Biden the firearm testified the younger Biden did not exhibit any symptoms of drug or alcohol use. Hunter Biden's attorneys underscoring how he had just finished rehabilitation and may not have thought of himself as an addict, and therefore did not knowingly lie on the federal form which asked, are you an unlawful user of or addicted to various narcotics?
The trial continues tomorrow. Hunter Biden's attorneys have said they intend to try to throw out this case on grounds of insufficient evidence and constitutional shortcomings. In Washington, M. Nguyen, ABC 30 Action News.